coverage you can count on with meteorologist Rob Elvington and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
And of course, before all that rain came in here, it was starting to get pretty dry and a little bit of a concern for some brush fires taking off here in North Alabama. But yeah, we just had some soaking wet rain over the last 4 days. But we just wrapped up the warmest July on record for Huntsville. Previous record set back in 1966, and our temperature 84.2 degrees. That's the average temperature, so that's the high and the low average together. And we almost were the warmest month of record for any month out of the year. Only August 2007 and August 2010 were warmer than July 2022. So again, that was an impressive month we just finished here in North Alabama. Huntsville right now, we're seeing temperatures of 76 degrees. One thing I am keeping a close eye on here through the overnight hours and into your Tuesday morning, especially for the kids heading back to school, would be the development for some fog. Ground is just soaking wet right now. We've got clear skies and calm winds. And look at that. We just saw an update with the Fort Payne visibility, already down to 1.5 miles. So we are already seeing that visibility dropping with the development of fog. 5 miles right now in Scottsboro, 7 miles in Guntersville. A lot of these areas, especially closer to some of the rivers and lakes, that's where we'll see that fog developing first, but that could spread. So even for Huntsville, with Huntsville City Schools heading back, we could be tracking some poor visibility at the bus stop. So please take it slow. There's kids out there tomorrow. A look at the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. We are dry after all that rain earlier today, but another thing we're also keeping an eye on, look at this big complex of storms, and some of these are severe storms off to our north in Kentucky. And as mentioned about 15 minutes ago, all the serious flooding that we've been tracking over the last few days, that is mostly for eastern parts of Kentucky. They have some storms right now, but nothing like the flooding issues they're having right now closer to just off to our north. So it's possible that whatever's left of that does survive here closer to tomorrow morning, but just about all the data has it falling apart by sunrise. Temperatures are back up to the low 90s for tomorrow afternoon. Plenty of heat to get some pop-up showers and storms going. So here's a look at future radar. If you look close enough, this is at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, you'll notice this little band of clouds. That's actually the remnants of that complex of storms off to our north right now. So we get the clouds, but really not seeing much in the way of showers or storms. And it may clear us out enough that it's just going to be tough to get showers and storms going. We kind of have that more stable atmosphere behind what's left of that complex. But a few pop-up showers and storms are possible. And that's why I've actually dropped the rain chances for tomorrow. And we'll keep it at about a 20%. But the chances do go right back up heading into your Wednesday. While we're seeing much more showers and storms developing through your Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening. But once we lose the heat of the day, those storms will quickly dissipate. Rainfall forecast for the next 7 days. Some of those brighter blues you see on the map, it's close to about an inch of rainfall. Keep in mind this is spread out over 7 days. That's about average for this time of the year. You should pick up close to about an inch over a 7-day period here in early August. And look at your 7-day forecast. Low 90s all the way through the rest of this work week. Keep in mind, any given day, if you see a little bit more sun, you can make a run at the mid-90s. So it's going to be hot for the first week of school. And we're still in the mid-90s heading into this weekend with a slightly higher chance for pop-up showers and storms.